MUMI. The Mining and Industry Museum of Asturias, the MUMI, inaugurated in 1993, is a tribute to coal mining, an activity which shaped the social and industrial fabric of the region for 2 centuries. The different areas of the museum illustrate various aspects of mining, an activity which lies at the origin of the industrial development that began in Spain during the second half of the 19th century, and with it, the progress and welfare of the country. The appearance of the railroad, the development of travel connections, medical care for the working population, and the appearance of the workers' movement are some of the aspects related to the mining industry covered in the museum, which receives thousands of visitors each year. Through detailed reproductions of mining equipment ranging from the 16th to the 18th centuries, we can discover and experience the early technologies used to ventilate and drain mining shafts, as well as the means of transporting mineral and ore and different mining techniques. The advent of coal mining at the end of the 18th century brought with it the birth of the iron and steel industry and the invention of the steam engine, a technological landmark, and one of the greatest contributions made to the progress and transformation of society in the history of humanity. Thus began the transportation revolution, with the appearance of the locomotive and the construction of hundreds of kilometers of train tracks. To the same extent as mining, explosives played an essential role in opening up routes and tunnels by which we are now able to travel both quickly and safely, linking areas which were previously much more difficult, if not impossible to reach. This particular bit of history is addressed in the House of Explosives, an exhibit which, with the collaboration of the Maxam Foundation, explains the advent of this industry and its role in social development from its beginnings with Alfred Nobel to the current day. One important aspect of underground mining is lighting. In the lamp room, the visitor can view numerous illuminatory devices and artifacts for underground lighting, as well as safety devices for avoiding fire damp explosions, moving from there into the functions of the mining rescue brigades. In the infirmary, we learn about occupational safety and health, not only in the mines, but in the towns that sprung up nearby. Industrial development advanced in correlation with science and education. In 1857, classes at the School of Science of the University of Oviedo began, and we can find numerous scientific instruments used at the university at this time, exhibited at the MUMI. These displays are accompanied by an extensive collection of fossils and minerals, with such unique pieces as an enormous sigillaria fossil, discovered in an open pit mine just 16 kilometers away and weighing over 1 ton. The visit to the MUMI wraps up with an 800-meter descent in a cage to reach a model mine. Visitors embark on a 1-kilometer underground walk to discover coal blasting and extraction methods, workshops, mine tubbing systems, ventilation, and the transport of material and personnel.